Hello everyone, so we have got Raspberry Pi over here. This is the Raspberry Pi itself, and here's the power brick. Something about Raspberry Pi, it was released a few years ago and it has already sold more than 10 million units. Talking about its specifications, we have got CPU 4x ARM Cortex processor, and RAM is 1 GB, and it has Ethernet cables and many things. So let's unbox it. This is the case, so let's unbox Raspberry Pi. In the box it's wireless LAN and Bluetooth, so it may have wireless and Bluetooth. So it's Raspberry Pi model B, Raspberry Pi 3 model B, 1 GB RAM. This is the manual, quick start guide, and this is the Raspberry Pi. Here the SD card. So you have to buy SD card, micro SD card yourself because it's not included in the box. So and you have to buy cable separately. So this is the HDMI port, and the micro USB for the power, and this is 3.5mm headphone jack. This is Ethernet cable and USB ports normal. Yeah, this is the Raspberry Pi with the ports. This is power adapters, micro USB and other power adapters. So here's the case for the Raspberry Pi. Here's inside the case, so micro SD card slot, this is the power brick, micro USB, HDMI to connect in screen, and this is 3.5mm headphone jack. So this is the Ethernet cable and 4 USB ports. Let's connect it. So light is blinking here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.